bye bye. It's been 2 weeks of this rubbish thing. Anyway, I went up to Tim's place and I didn't know. I went up to Tim's place. I didn't know he was there at the house. Apparently he's sick. So anyway, now we are here at Tagalia. Such a long ride coming up here for him to fix his car, tune his car back to, I don't know, whatever, service his car. So we are out here driving around Tagalia looking for the repair shop. Tune his car, PMS. So we are here in Tagalia in this garage, DAC garage here in Tagalia. So we actually travel a long way. It's up here in Mendez, Tagalia. So traveling all the way from Silang up here. So it's around 11 now. I'm actually, well, this was like, personally for me it was unplanned. I didn't know that Timmy was at the house and I went there. He was sick and then he said, oh, I'm gonna go and do car repair. So if you want to follow along, coming. So here I am with Timmy on a Wednesday, random midday. It's like nobody has work or school or something to do. So we are here Tagalia doing this. So we might stay here for a while.
Possible, sir, 10 to 20 minutes. Sir.
Okay.
The split.
Thank you. Ano?
Tapos ang tanong sa akin, mag-i-start daw ako. Hindi mo lang ako.
Alright, Timmy is at the workshop waiting at the lounge area. I'm out here trying to grab something, no, buy, get stick, and then go back inside. Oh, look, it's a pineapple garden. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna head back and check with Timmy. So the car will take around 2-3 hours to repair and fix the oil change, everything. So me and Timmy just gonna walk around Mendez area and see what's up with this place. This is actually our first time, both of us together walking around. We usually just drive around this place. So Timmy has to go back and get this shade. We'll go and look for a coffee shop or something. coffee shop along the highway. Now we are here, just gonna sit here for probably 2 hours or so and then head back to the car shop. They said 2 hours, so we were walking up this way trying to go to Skyran's area or something, but we found this coffee shop here. Nice coffee shop, very cozy, at least have air condition. So we're gonna sit here for at least 2 hours or so. And then we're gonna check the car and then go back. So yeah, nice coffee shop actually. I'll show you guys around. They have board games. Just what is this? Our memories. You think you love one werewolf. You love, you think. So you target how to swing a golf club by standing right behind them and grabbing their hands. I don't know how to say this, but I'm sexually attracted to you and I want to wear your skin. Some cool games. Tickle your target while apologizing. I lightly touch part of your teenager's body while whispering, it's part of the bodies. We have been waiting for almost 40 minutes for our food. 40 minutes. I should have brought my laptop and do the editing at the coffee shop. Oh, speaking of, it's here now.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. What's the signature? Lovely place. You live here, you guys are the owners.
Our first order is here, burgers. And I think pizza also. Sea salt cinnamon. Sea salt cinnamon. I didn't know what I ordered, so I just ordered this. I don't know what it is, so first time for everything. It's coffee. I don't drink coffee. Yeah, I was a boss buying this stuff. Anyway, we just got back from the cafe. We walked all the way down again. It's just a walking distance. So anyway, the car, we just arrived on time. The car is serviced and fixed now. So Tim is just gonna fix the papers. And then we're gonna go home. Good day, good day, good day. Anyway, the coffee I drank have a very negative effect on me, so now I'm powering up on water. feel like I want to vomit, and I'm really allergic to coffee. That's why I don't drink coffee. Yeah. That was a long trip. We are back home now at the house. Stop it! That was a wonderful trip from Tagalia. We're gonna actually watch the girls Philippines volcanoes, lady volcanoes are playing today at 4, so we are here. Gonna watch that and then go home. Hello, boy. How are you, boy? So yeah, wonderful day. Car is fixed, and see you on the next one.